aren't you awfully hungry?
No, but since it's really 12 o'clock, I guess we must be hungry. If we didn't like milk, we'd sure be funny. 'Cause the kitten was sigh for, clamor and cry for milk. Wah, wah, wah. If we didn't have milk, we'd sure be gloomy. For a kitten is gay on, learns how to play on milk. Wah, wah, wah. Our appetites are keen.
Easy, careful, don't you sit. Whatever you do, keep your whiskers clean.
There's plenty of food, a lot more fancy. But a little cat's wish is only a dish of milk. Shoot! If we didn't like milk, we'd sure be funny. 'Cause the kitten was sigh for, clamor and cry for milk. Wah, wah, wah. If we didn't have milk, we'd sure be gloomy. For a kitten is gay on, learns how to play on milk. meow, 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 meow. Hi-de-hi and rowdy-dow. Come on right in and join the fun. You'll get a drink if you ask.